Hey everybody, Constance Arnold, your master coach, your master's level trainer, and your master manifester. Welcome to my YouTube channel. How you doing? Happy New Year. I don't think I've been on here um, live this year, but I felt led to come on today. Happy 2021. So today I'm going to be just talking to you briefly about the power of the images that we have seen this week and how you can tattoo the image that you desire for your life to look like at the end of 2021. So before I get started, make sure you scroll down, look at all my videos and audios. You guys know that I have been the host of the Think, Believe, and Manifest talk show for the past. This is my 12th year, over 600 archive podcasts. I mean, you can nourish your body, your spirit, and your soul by listening to some of my interviews with some of the greats and by listening to my own teaching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you tell your friends, your coworkers, your family members about my channel, and hit the notification button so that when we upload new videos, you're going to be notified. Excuse me. So, y'all, I'm trying to get my hair right with these headphones. But let me talk to you just a little bit. Let me break it down about the power of images in your imagination. And what really brought this to my memory was everything that we have seen this week. It has been a difficult, for many people, sad week, depending on when you're watching this. So this is the week that we saw everything that went down in Washington, D.C. We saw picture after picture, after video after image of what was happening. And so it impacted us. It made us feel sad. It got us to get in touch with our emotions. Some of us cried, etc. We've been watching videos, TV, image after image of what's going on with COVID-19. People in the hospital, hospitals being just overrun, reaching its full capacity. We see the number of people in the hospital. So those are images that we see over and over and over again. So let me just talk about your own image and imagination. But right in the middle of everything that we are experiencing in 2021, one of the main things that you can do is pray and ask the Spirit to begin to tattoo on the inside of you your image, the movie, the picture for your life for 2021. We know certain things about the imagination, that it is the most powerful tool or principle that we could use with manifestation, that our subconscious is most impacted by pictures and images backed up with emotion. We know that the Bible says that whatever you imagine to do would not be withheld from you. And even God can come down and stop your imagination. We know that your thinking always precedes your, your manifestation. I'm going to say your thinking, your feeling, and your images always precedes your manifestation. So you need to, in your own mind, go to the end of 21 with your thinking and with images and begin to see and feel it. I call it thinking feelingly. So you think about what you desire in 2021, you feel it, and then you get the image of it. You get the picture of it, just like we've been getting pictures all week long, just like we've been getting pictures and images of COVID-19, because whatever you behold, you become. Whatever you think about, see, and feel, that gets bigger in your life. So take some time and just begin to imagine, this is what my life will look and feel like. If it's money, if it's health, see yourself running, seeing yourself being able to play with your children. I'm going to see myself being able to travel internationally. I see myself standing before my large crowd speaking. I see it in my mind. You know, the Bible talks about living from the end. I know a lot of you know who 𝗕𝗟𝗏𝗃𝗏 is, and he talks about living from the end. But the Bible says that God sees the end from the beginning and then comes back and walk it out. So you're going to take time and pray that the Spirit will begin to tattoo on your subconscious mind your life for 2021. So how are you going to do that? This is what I tell my clients to do. Take 5 minutes, you know, just in a real comfortable place, 3 to 5 minutes, and begin to see, begin to feel, and begin to live in the end, that it is already done. You're not thinking from it, you're already in it. You're not thinking towards it, excuse me. You're at the end, you're living in it, in it. You literally become the thing or become the scene that you are imagining. What I have my clients to do is to choose one ideal scene and begin to think, feel, believe, and see themselves living from the end. So a great example of that might be if you desire to have love, you choose a scene. Let's just say the scene, I call it your ideal scene. And you see yourself going to a restaurant. I don't know, a restaurant at the Ritz-Carlton. You see yourself, you feel it, you see the waiter, you feel him pouring the water. The atmosphere is so beautiful. You hear the music in the background. You're living from that because in your mind it's already done. Okay, I'm using the same example again. Someone who wants to be in a committed relationship. You see yourself in the car with the person, your partner that you love. I mean, he or she would say, baby, is the heat. I'm going to pretend that it's a she. And the man says to her, do you need more air? Do you need more heat? You hear the soft music playing on Sirius FM. I'm going to say Watercolors. That's my favorite station on Sirius FM. And it's silent, but you could feel yourself being in love. You're listening to love songs as you're driving to your destination. He touches your hand, and on the inside you are radically grateful. So do you see that? You always have a movie running through your mind. So I have my clients to do that in the morning and in the evening. And I believe next to getting clear about what you want, and then I'm going to say the second thing would be breaking down your goals into small baby habits every day. That your imagination, 𝗕𝗟𝗏𝗃𝗏 said imagination is God, because when you're imagining, that is God in you and through you. I hope that this helps you. Your image that we've been inundated with over the last week, but you know, you are the producer of your own movie. You decide what movie you're going to play in your mind. You know, it's like if you go to Netflix and they say, do you want a comedy? Do you want to look at a documentary? Then they show you the latest the latest top 10 movies for the week. You choose. And I'm going to say to you, you can begin to choose the images that you're going to let be dominant in your mind. Well, everybody, I would love to coach with you. You guys know that I'm a master's level counselor, master's level coach, and a master manifester. So email me. I work with people on 5 continents in the areas of business, attracting love, making more money. I just finished negotiating with a client a big contract. If you want to create a different future, I think what's different about me is 25 years experience, 10,000 clients. You know, they say a master is anyone who has honed or worked in a particular field for 10,000 hours. I got 20,000, 30,000 hours. So the first thing I'm going to do is do a 20-minute discovery call with you. Then we see if we are a vibrational match. It has to be. All of my coaching is inside out. I'm going to send you a coaching assessment. It's a lot, but by the time we have our first session, we're going to be rocking and rolling. I do counseling first. Counseling deals with your past so that we can remove those yucky core beliefs, those old paradigms, those old ways, I got that out, of thinking. And then I strategically give you strategies, proven methods, steps as to how you can get from where you are to where you desire to be. Boy, I got some powerful testimonies. Visit my website, fulfillingyourpurpose.com, from my clients where they are manifesting left and right. And of course, I'm going to incorporate how you can use the wonderful law of attraction, fulfillingyourpurpose.com. My email is Constance@fulfillingyourpurpose.com. Let me know how you're doing with your imagination. Boy, it's one of the most powerful tools that God has given us. Everybody enjoy your day.